Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Culturelligence is hiring for community relations specialist. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. We are hiring a community relations specialist for our partner. The ideal candidate will be responsible for building global people operations communities, fostering growth via participation and engagement, having one-to-one and group video conversations with the regional community leaders and the international community board, and facilitating community meetings. The incumbent will be responsible for organizing and hosting webinars, conferences and other learning sessions at a global level. Mode of work: remote and full-time. Graduate or postgraduate with 0 year of experience but a passion for community relations can apply. Now here are the requirements: must have confident and excellent written and verbal communication skills, strong relationship building capabilities with a passion for networking with people, strong flair for learning agility, flexible to work during the morning hours in the USA Eastern Time Zone, ability to navigate through a fast-paced work environment, adapt in analytical skills with a logical approach to decision making, novel solutions to foster community participation and engagement, build community engagement on social media platforms and open forum channels, well versed in Microsoft Office suite, keep abreast of emerging community practices, willingness to work on new projects with the leadership team. Qualifications required are master's degree or equivalent. Let us get to know about the company. Culturelligence drives organizational transformation by energizing and engaging leaders and employees as change champions. We envision a thriving workplace where leaders and people operations professionals collaborate to develop and empower people, create better experiences, and deliver user-focused talent solutions. We believe that one size doesn't fit all, as each organization is unique, with different values, beliefs, culture, leadership practices, processes, and procedures. As an elite partner of Agile People OPS USA, we help organizations adopt and implement Agile lead methodologies, design thinking, and coaching to create new age organizations focusing on best human capital practices. Here is the website of Culturelligence. So your partner in Agile People OPS framework journey, future skilling individuals, teams and organizations. Leading the way for a sustainable future, Future of Workforce 2023 research report. Key services are there. So this is all about them. You can find the link in the description and visit this website. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button. Then just fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट with your friends, and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.